I've been to, modesty aside, I've been to Hong Kong,
Mm.
Singapore, no, Hong Kong, Singapore, like China,
Mm-hmm.
and I went to Taipei, then Taiwan. I was also in Macau, but of all the people I've encountered, I love the people in Taiwan.
Wow, thank
It's
you.
it's it's not to flatter you,
Mm.
but what I like, the people in Taiwan were very, very accommodating. They're
Mm.
accommodating. Like when I ask questions about directions, even if, because I have a very good experience, and it
Yes.
was with an older woman
Mm.
who didn't even know how to speak English.
Wow, really?
She didn't know how to speak English, but I was asking her. I was lost. There was a time that I was lost, and I said, "Oh, where is the tall building I was looking for?" Because the tall building, the Taipei 101,
Yes.
was my mark,
Ah.
my like landmark. If you're gonna tell me where is Taipei 101, then I know my direction already. I know where I'm going. So I asked her, "Where is Taipei 101?" And she didn't understand.
Sure,
She didn't
usually.
understand. But she brought me to a security guard,
Mm.
the security guard who knew how to speak English.